Hello everyone. First of all, welcome to my YouTube channel. After watching my video, please like, share and subscribe also.
Hello friend, today we will discuss some important MCQs of pathophysiology. Chapter included cell injury and adaptation, process of inflammation and repair, cardiovascular system, respiratory system and renal system, which is presented by AR Pharma. Following are the cell adhesion molecule except options are integrins, cadherins, selectins and interferons, but the correct answer is interferons. Other integrins, cadherins, selectins are the cytokinin category. Question number 2. Following are the types of cell membrane receptor except options are colony stimulating factor, enzyme link receptor, ion channel receptor and G protein receptor, but the correct answer is colony stimulating factor. Other three are the types of cell membrane receptor, which are enzyme link receptor, ion channel receptor and G protein coupled receptor, but the colony stimulating factor is belong to cytokines category. Question number 3. There are 4 sequential phases in the cell cycle. Options G1S, G2M, MS, G1, G2, G1M, G2S, SM, G1, G2, but the correct sequence or order of phases of cell cycle is G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase and last M phase. Question number 4. Arteries are blood vessels that options are carry blood away from the heart, carry oxygenated blood, carry blood towards the heart, carry deoxygenated blood, carry blood at low pressure, but the correct answer is arteries are the blood vessels which carry blood away from the heart. Question number 5. Which of the following statement is true? Options are atherosclerosis is a type of arteriosclerosis. Arteriosclerosis is a type of atherosclerosis. Arteriosclerosis is the same atherosclerosis. No link between atherosclerosis and arteriosclerosis, but the correct answer or correct statement is atherosclerosis is a type of arteriosclerosis. Question number 6. Within the circulation where the blood pressure is highest, options are in the vena cava, in the left ventricle, in the right ventricle, in the pulmonary arteries, in the left atrium, but the correct answer is in the left ventricle where the pressure of blood is highest. Question number 7. Which of the following terms describe the volume of blood which is ejected by the heart in 1 minute? Options are end diastolic volume, stroke volume, heart rate, cardiac output, blood pressure, but the correct answer is cardiac output, which describe the volume of blood which is ejected by the heart in a 1 minute. Question number 8. The cardiac output which is determined by heart rate, volume of blood returning to the heart, that is preload, afterload which depends on the systemic vascular resistance, mechanical properties of the heart. All these factors are determined or helpful for the determination of cardiac output. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 9. Environmental risk factor for the development of asthma, which include socio-economic status, allergen exposure, exposure to the second-hand tobacco smoke at infancy. All these factors are the risky factors for the development of the asthma. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 10. What is the best initial test in an acute asthma exacerbation? Options are peak expiratory flow, pulmonary function test, chest x-ray, pulse oximetry. These all options are diagnosis test for asthma, but the initial stage for acute asthma is peak expiratory flow. So the correct answer is A, peak expiratory flow, which is the initial test for acute asthma exacerbation. Question number 11. What is the most accurate diagnostic test for bronchial asthma? Options are pulmonary function test, arterial blood gas. Both are the diagnostic test for asthma, but specifically for bronchial asthma, most accurate diagnosis test is pulmonary function test. So the correct answer is A. Question number 12. Side effect of beta 2 agonist include all of the following except tremors, headache, tachycardia, bradycardia and hypertension. Correct answer is bradycardia is not side effect of beta 2 agonist. Other tremors, headache, tachycardia and hypertension are the side effects of beta 2 agonist drug. Question number 13. Which of the following is not typical symptoms of kidney failure? Options are insomnia, hallucination, itching, restless leg or nausea. But the correct answer is hallucination. So the other options, insomnia, itching, restless leg, nausea, are the typical symptoms of kidney failure. Next question. Furosemide acts on which part of the nephron? Basically, furosemide is an antidiuretic drug. Options are proximal tubule, descending limb of loop of Henle, ascending limb of loop of Henle, distal tubule, collecting duct. But the correct answer is ascending limb of loop of Henle. Furosemide is specifically affect on or act on ascending limb of loop of Henle. Next question. Which of the following is a modality of choice of detecting renal stone? Specifically, renal stone means kidney stone. Options are ultrasound, Doppler ultrasound, isotoprenography, CT scanning, MRI scanning. But the choice for detecting kidney stone is CT scan test. So the correct answer is CT scanning. Next question. Modifiable risk factors of chronic kidney disease include. Options are diabetes, hypertension, history of AKI, frequent NSAIDs use, and all of the above. These all options are risk factors for chronic kidney diseases. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 17. Types of hemodialysis access include fistula, graft, catheter, and all of the above. But the correct answer is all of the above. Fistula, graft, and catheter are the types of hemodialysis access. Next question. Which of the following is a major non-modifiable risk factors? Options are hyperlipidemia, cigarette smoking, increasing age, and diabetes. But the correct answer is increasing age, which is a non-modifiable risk factor. Other are hyperlipidemia, which we can modify, cigarette smoking, and diabetes, which also modifiable risk factor, but the increasing age is non-modifiable risk factors. Next question. This nutrient repairs the body from wear to tear, builds new tissue, and contribute to numerous essential body's function. Options are protein, carbohydrate, and fat, sugar, but the correct answer is protein. It is a nutrient which repairs the body from wear to tear and build up new tissue. Question number 20. Which of the following is the correct sequential order of the phases of healing? Options are remolding, inflammation, hemostasis, and repair. Inflammation, hemostasis, proliferation and maturation. Hemostasis, inflammation, repair and remodeling. Inflammation, maturation, proliferation and hemostasis. But the correct answer is C. Hemostasis, inflammation, repair and remodeling, which is the correct sequence of phases of wound healing. Thank you.